Do you own a YouTube automation channel and not seeing great views and a higher AVD? Well, that's completely because of these reasons that I'm gonna spell out. Number 1, your videos aren't engaging enough. Number 2, your titles aren't optimized. Number 3, your thumbnails are bad. Number 4, your channel doesn't provide clarity on your niche and your videos. If you are a channel owner struggling on the above pain points, then this website is for you, mate. We are Dcgrowtube, the biggest automation production house in the YouTube automation industry, trusted by 800 plus channel owners and coaches in the industry. Unlike random freelancers from platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, our 3,500 plus global freelancers, including magazine writers, top industry voiceover artists, and video editors from renowned production industries like Netflix and Amazon Prime, focus on quality over quantity. We understand the importance of the first 10 seconds of your video for viewer engagement, and we're experts in crafting compelling thumbnails to improve your click-through rate. We have scaled channels with only the help of highly engaging content that provide your viewers with clarity on what you're uploading. If you ask me how do we differentiate with random freelancers, here is a simple point of view. We don't chase money. Like such freelance platforms, we provide value on your videos that help your channel scale with quality and bot quantity. Oh yes, we prioritize quality over quantity. That's our vision, mate. You now don't even have to spend a lot of time finding the right freelancers for your channel and managing them. I know they can be hectic sometimes. You gotta fire and hire often sometimes. It's hectic, bro, trust me. With us, we give you a private channel on Discord or Slack with a manager to manage your communications and delivery, so that all are well communicated on the project. Let's walk over some case studies here. Take Jake, for example. Starting from scratch, his new channel had barely any views. Fast forward a month and he's already covering 70k views a month with our help. And then there's Akil, just another creator in the crowd, struggling to break 14k views a month. With our expertise, he's now on track to hit 300,000 views this month. Schedule a call with us and let's go over your channel for an audit. Then we scale your channel with Stop, Breathe and Stare. Don't wait, mate. Swipe down and schedule a call with us to get things rolling.